and welcome to our channel. Today's exciting topic is the new product development process, a key element in the world of project management. Whether you're steering a startup or leading a team in a larger organization, understanding NPD is critical for bringing innovative products from concept to reality. The NPD process is all about taking your groundbreaking ideas and sculpting them into market-ready products. It involves a series of strategic and creative stages that ensure your product not only meets market needs, but also stands out in the competitive landscape. In this video, we'll explore the 7 crucial stages of NPD, each offering a chance to refine your ideas into market-ready products. Let's dive in and learn how to turn your innovative concepts into successful realities. Idea generation. Here, innovation ignites. Encourage your team's creativity using brainstorming, SWOT analysis, and customer insights as fuel for innovation. Idea screening. It's time to pick the best from the rest. Evaluate ideas against your business strategy, conduct market surveys, and consider intellectual property aspects for initial validation. Next up, concept development and testing. Here, ideas start taking a concrete shape. Mold your ideas into viable concepts through prototypes, surveys, and focus groups. It's about smart, early-stage testing to refine your products. Business analysis. Dive into the numbers. Analyze market potential, forecast sales, and weigh costs against the benefits. This stage determines financial viability and business alignment. Then comes product development. It's where your concept evolves into an actual product. Collaborative efforts across design, engineering, and marketing teams is crucial here. Market testing. Test the waters with a pilot launch. Gather consumer feedback, fine-tune your product, and ensure it meets your customers' needs and expectations. Finally, commercialization. It's showtime for your product. Focus on branding, pricing, marketing, and distribution to make a significant market impact. And that's a wrap on the new product development process in project management. From ideation to market launch, mastering these stages is key to innovation success. Use these insights in your next project and watch your ideas transform into market successes. If this guide has sparked new ideas for you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more project management insights. Here's to your next breakthrough innovation.